All right, guys, a lot of questions about the dash cams. Here we go. So before you put your SD card in your dash cam, make sure it's formatted. We got it in there. And all we're gonna do, if we start from the beginning, click the boxes, scroll all the way to the bottom, you see dash cam, you click dash cam. Here we are. You got your recordings, you got gallery. If you haven't recorded anything, that gallery button's not gonna be up there right away. So it's up there now. Get this beeping, stop.
I'll drive this way.
Okay. You got it in park. All right, so if you're driving around, there's a couple ways you can trigger the recording. So you can actually flash your lights. You can hit the hazards. You can see there, event recording. When the presense goes off, which is your emergency braking functions in the front, it'll start recording. And I think the horn, was it the horn, Matt? Let's see here. And the last one is heavy braking. So if you got any heavy braking, it's gonna record what just happened recently in that event. So right now I just threw my flashers on and then we turned them off. So if I go to gallery, you're gonna see a couple recordings. You can actually favorite the recordings, and there's also a photo here. Let's go back. So here's a video. It's playing pretty good quality. That was just a car coming out the back. You can even hit your you can actually set this button here to record also. So if I click that star, it's got the camera right now, but you can set it to have most recent recording functions. Steering wheel assignment. There we go. Dash cam start event recording, dash cam photo, dash cam start stop recording. It just depends what you want to do. If you want to do an event or you just want it to start recording, and then you can let it record until you stop it. So it's totally up to you. If you use the dash cam, that's a good thing to put there, but normally I would probably put me personally, I like putting the camera there, because if I hit this camera down here, I guess the button's there too. It pulls up that front camera, so if you're pulling into a parking spot, it's a lot easier to see what's ahead of you, especially if there's something lower that you can't see. You can pull that camera up right away by just hitting it on the steering wheel, but you also have it down here, so it's just up to you. You probably could just put the dash cam there. So let's go back to the dash cam. So in the dash cam, here's all your events that are saved. Now, there was a question about, can you watch the videos on your phone in the app? Is it a live view? I'm gonna check that. I don't think so. The only way we can check is if we set up an Audi Connect account, which to do that, you have to purchase the car because it starts a free trial, and we don't want to use up someone's free trial. And now I'm not due for a lease yet, so I can't get this one yet. But we'll probably do that next. But that dash cam function is pretty nice. The dash cam's nice, the quality's good. It does not record audio. Does it record audio, Matt? Yeah, it does not record audio from what we could tell. We turn the volume up, it just turns up the music. But yeah, there it is. That's the dash cam. And when it records, it shines a little red light. Let's see it from the outside. There's the dash cam. Hit record. Don't see nothing. Don't see nothing. The red light might be on the screen. Let me take a look. You think the red light's on the screen somewhere?
It's right here, yeah.
Yep. There it is right there. Hit the flashers again. All right. Okay. So I do notice those over there too. Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Which is showing what? Location, microphone, and camera are being okay, but the microphone is for your voice command, so it's actually not for the dash cam, just in case anybody's wondering about the audio. But that's how it works. It's really pretty basic. There's a little eye on the image in the MMI that you can click, that if you have any questions, it'll actually answer all of them for you. I can show you what that looks like just so you can see it. Hit recording, go to, oh, does it not show it anymore?
I think it doesn't, because
we already put the SD card in. Okay, so before you put the SD card in, it'll show you a display of the camera and the mirror. And that's how it works. That's the dash cam. The other video, we cut it short because we didn't have the SD card in correctly. We didn't format it, so we got it in there right now. And it does not have 3D view because this is not a Prestige, it's actually a Premium Plus. So you can get that passenger display on the Premium Plus now, so that's why it's got it there, so not to be confused. But there it goes. Thank you guys for watching. Hit subscribe.